Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. My name is Floyd. This channel is about teaching you the basic of cooking because it's a skill that every one of us should have. First, I want to show you how I'm preparing this roasted sweet potato to put on my power bowl. It's a steak power bowl. This sweet potato, I have a piece, and just repeat this motion until everything is clean off of it, okay? Sweet potato all peel, good to go. So let's cut it up now. So just make sure you sit on the side like this. Just don't try and put it like this. You see I can't cut like this, so cut like that. And then you just cut it, try and cut it in even cuts, please. So it's safer, okay? You see I move my hands from there, safer, right? And then what you do, you go like this. Try and get as even as possible cubes as possible you could get with it, okay? And you cut everything up like that. So just like this. Okay, so all is cut, good to go. So put it on with a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil. Using this pan, and you want to make sure that it doesn't stick at the bottom of your pan when you put it in the oven to roast. All you have to do is put a bit of a spray on it. Any one of the common spray you take, and you just give it a quick, that's it. And then we just take it straight to the oven at this moment, okay? Put it into the oven, that's it. 350, you have it at 350, put it in for 20 minutes, that's it, okay? Sweet potato is roasting nicely. So I'm gonna take it out now. That was roasted for about 20 minutes. So they're soft and nice, and this is gonna go nicely with my my steak power bowl salad. So I'm looking forward for it. So I'm gonna take it and let it cool down, and I'm gonna build this in a bit. Romaine lettuce as usual. Why? I'm gonna put some carrots, some black pepper, live salt, because I'm cracking red onions. If you go to my steak video, you will see how I did the grilled red onions. So because it's a steak dish, I want to use that too. So I just put these onions there. This is a serious power bowl. I wish if I could share it. I wish if I could cook for all you guys. Pumpkin seeds, which is the green ones, and I have some sunflower seeds. You give it texture, crunch, you know. Some tricolor quinoa, the red and the white one. You're gonna see a lot of my video have avocado. You know why? Because avocado is king. One of my favorite that I want to add to this, and is my sweet potato. Sweet potato, put it there. I move this forward because I'm bringing in the star, the other star. So viewers, I'm just bringing my steak over to put on my salad. The king, I call him. The king. Boom! I'm gonna cut my steak, but what I just realized, I touched my blade. It's a little dull for a beautiful steak like this. You know how much money? So what I'm gonna do a quick sharpen. We could talk about sharpening knife another time. Cutting. Ooh, nice thinly slice. Wow. Nice medium well there. Wow. This is 10 ounces of meat, by the way. 10 ounces. As I usually say, not in your face, but I want you to see what I'm gonna have, okay? I'm gonna enjoy this power bowl as usual, okay? So, as usual, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If there's any feedback, let me know. If there's anything you want me to go over to help you with, let me know. Thank you for watching. Please share it with your friends, your family who need to know about a power bowl, or know to cook a steak, or build a good salad bowl. And then, as I always say, one love. Thank you for watching.